Want to take your cake decorating to the next level? Let's explore Rococo icing, the intricate, whimsical style that transforms cakes into edible masterpieces. Rooted in 18th century French art, Rococo style is known for its ornate details, playful swirls, and elegant floral patterns. In cakes, that means scrolls, flowers, soft pastels, and a whole lot of flair. To master Rococo icing, start by embracing its key features. Curvy lines that flow effortlessly, delicate floral motifs, and color harmony in soft pastels or jewel tones. Having the right tools makes all the difference. Piping bags and a variety of tips. An offset spatula. A ball tool for shaping flowers and a touch of edible glitter to capture that Rococo sparkle. Begin with simple piping techniques, lines, swirls, and shell borders. Use practice parchment to perfect your pressure and form before decorating the real thing. Florals are the heart of Rococo cakes. Learn to craft elegant roses, peonies, daisies, and leaves. Start small, layer your petals, and play with placement for a garden-inspired finish. Next, add texture, ruffles, quilted patterns, and decorative borders. These elements bring depth and luxury to your cake surface. Color sets the mood. Try romantic pastels for weddings, or bold jewel tones for a dramatic centerpiece. Test your icing colors before applying them. A simple trick for a flawless look. Presentation matters. Choose a cake stand that complements your design and enhance with edible pearls or fresh blooms. Lighting makes a difference too. Let your masterpiece shine. Runny icing? Add more powdered sugar. Fragile flowers? Let them dry before placing. Need vibrant color? Use gel food coloring instead of liquid. Rococo icing is more than decoration. It's storytelling with sugar. With the right tools, practice, and creativity, you'll create cakes that truly steal the show. Want to learn more? Read the full guide and find tool links in the description. And be sure to check out this video for more.